Hello, this is your friendly neighborhood Twani. I am the studio owner and I am here with a quick tutorial on how to install Lightroom presets for mobile. I am on my desktop, but this is the same process you would use on your phone, whether it be Apple or Android. So this is a little bit more complicated and a little bit counterintuitive. We're going to start by adding photos. So let's expand the photo palette. Click on Add Photos and Browse. Now mine are up in my Downloads folder. I already unzipped the mobile zip from the Studio Free presets. And so we can open that, open the DNG for mobile, and we see some blah, 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 as well as 6 photos that are the exact same photo, but each looks slightly different. That's because it's the same photo with each of the presets installed. Select them all. Click Review for Import, and there they are. Now I'm going to go ahead and add them to an album so I can easily find them, and I will just call it the Studio Free Presets and create, and now we can add our 6 photos. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and close the Add Photo panel, and we are going to open up the Edit panel as well as the Preset panel. We're on our first photo, and you can see there is no group, so we're going to create the preset and the group from our first photo. Click the plus button, Create Preset, and you'll have the choice to add a new group. I'm going to go ahead and call that the Studio Free Presets and create, and now I can add a name for this preset, and I can just name it 1 if I choose. This is actually the 6th one, so I'll call this the Studio Free Preset 6, and I've got everything checked except for auto settings. If you check auto settings, it will include another layer of edits that might not be what you want. So check everything but auto settings and hit save. Okay, and now you will see I've got the Studio Free Presets because I created the group. And I've got the Studio Free Preset 6, excuse me. All right, I'm going to repeat this with each one. Here, I'll go ahead over to the first one in the group, and I will create a free preset, and this one I will call 1 because I know it's 1, and there it is. All right. I've gone ahead and added all the presets, okay, simply by repeating that step. Now I'm going to show that it works on any photo in your library. I've taken the photo I had up, and let's take a look at it. There it is. And now open my edit panel, my preset panel, and here are my Studio Free presets, and I can add any of these presets to this photo. And that's it. I hope it was easy to understand. Have some fun with Lightroom today.